Para sa isa't isa, di ba sinta tayo? Hello everyone, and welcome to this guitar tutorial for the song PAGSAMO by ARTHUR NERY. So first up, I would just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So a bit of disclaimer first, I'm going to be teaching this song as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic guitar, as well as playing this as close to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. But before we begin, please do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for my future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's just go and jump right into it. So before I teach you guys the chord progression that we're going to use in this song, I would just like to discuss with you the chords that we're going to use throughout this entire song, which are going to be these ones right here. Yep, so first up is going to be the C sharp major 7 chord, which is going to be like this. And to do this chord, basically we're going to be pressing the 4th fret on the A string, 6th fret on the D string, 5th fret on the G string, 6th fret on the B string, and as for the low and the high E strings, these are not going to be included, or dead strings in this case. Yep, so it's going to be dead string, 4, 6, 5, 6, then another dead string. So next chord that I'm going to show you guys is going to be the F minor 7 chord, which is going to be like this. For the 8th fret, we're going to use our index finger to bar that entire 8th fret, starting from the A string down to the high E string. And as for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be the 10th fret on the D string, as well as the 9th fret on the B string. So all in all, it's going to be dead string on the lower E string, 8, 10, 8, 9, and then 8. The next up is going to be the B major 7 chord, which is going to be like this. And to do this chord, it's going to be the 2nd fret on the A string, 4th fret on the D string, 3rd fret on the G string, 4th fret on the B string. And as for the lower E string and the high E string, these are not going to be included, or dead strings in this case as well. Yep, so it's going to be dead string, 2, 4, 3, 4, then another dead string. Yep, then lastly, it's going to be the F sharp major 7 chord, which is going to be like this. And to do this chord, it's going to be pressing the 2nd fret on the lower E string, dead string on the A string, 3rd fret D string, 3rd fret G string, 2nd fret B string. And as for the high E string, this is also going to be a dead string or not included as well. Yep, so all in all, it's going to be C sharp major 7, F minor 7, B major 7. That's going to be the F sharp major 7 chord. Yep, so it's going to be C sharp major 7, F minor 7, B major 7. That's going to be the F sharp major 7 chord. Yep. And as for the plucking pattern that we're going to use in this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep, and that's basically going to be like this. Yep. Once more. So a bit more detailed, it's going to be the bass note, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time, along with the D, G, and the B strings all together. We're going to be waiting it out for a bit, for one count maybe. And that's going to be the D, G, B strings all together. Then slapping it. Then once again, bass, D, G, B strings. Then waiting it out again. That's going to be the D, G, B strings. Then slapping it. Once more. So with that said, that entire plucking pattern is going to be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to play in this song. Okay, so for the chord progression that we're going to use in this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep, so basically it's just going to be the C sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the F minor 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the B major 7 chord for 4 counts. Then lastly, it's going to be the F sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, and then you're just going to be repeating that entire thing for a total of 15 repetitions. But if you want to break it down, it's going to be broken up into these sections right here. Yep, so for the intro, solo, as well as the outro sections of this song, we're just going to be doing that entire thing for just total of 1 repetition. So it's just going to be like this. And as for the verse sections of this song, we're going to be repeating that chord progression twice for each of them. So it's going to be like this. Kung bibitaw ng mahinahon ako ba'y lulubayan ng ating mga kahapon na di na kayang ayusin ng lambing. Mga pangako ay sapat na upang muli tayong ipagtagpo ng hinaharap. And as for the pre-chorus sections of this song, you're also going to be doing that entire chord progression twice as well. So it's going to be like this. Ba't ba ipapaalala tiri naman panghahawakan? Ba't ba ipipilit kunti naman tayong? And lastly, for the chorus sections as well, it's going to be doing that same chord progression twice for each of them. So let's go have a look. Para sa isa't isa, di ba sinta tayo? Dalawa lang noon para sa isa't isa, pati sumang-ayon sa ng panahon. Yep, and that's basically it when it comes to playing this entire song. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for my future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.